Hey guys, Dave Tuback, Luke Vintage Arts Restoration. As you can tell, I'm got another project. What you're looking at is a 2004 1/18 scale Hot Bodies Minizilla, ready to run. Very cool trucks. I always wanted one of these. I remember these back in the day. People loved them, so, and there were pretty good reviews on these too, and some of the articles I read. I never drove a Hot Bodies RC car or HB car. They would transition their name from Hot Bodies to HB Racing. But a friend of mine did have a E-Zilla from back in the day, and that was cool. It was like kind of like a racing bug monster truck. So Hot Bodies had some very cool products. They were an accessory company that got into racing, and then they started to develop their own racing pedigree. They had really amazing drivers. Asushi Hara was one of them that I knew, and just probably one of the greatest drivers, period. Amazing company, and yeah, so super stoked that I got this one. These came, like I said, ready to run. I'll show you what it came with. So you got the transmitter, receiver, a chargeable battery pack, and an ESC. So these came with little ESCs in them. These weren't super cheap trucks. They weren't, I mean, crazy expensive, but they weren't cheap. And yeah, so, but when I got this one, I didn't get the box that it came with, which is, I was hoping I would have got the box, but the gentleman that I purchased this from didn't have it. And it kind of sort of makes this whole package kind of even better. And I'll show you the box right now. So unfortunately, no box. These, you can actually outfit these with brushless setups. There's really cool brands that give you aftermarket support called, that I know just off the bat, called 3 Racing, I believe, and Entity, just to name a couple. Very cool. Now this one here, the radio worked, but the ESC did not. So that was fried up. So I had to find an ESC that would work for the little 370 motor that comes with these. And I found my little Amsonic works really, really well. So these are basically designed for 380 on upsize motors. This being a 370, I didn't think it was going to hurt anything. So it works really good. I had to modify the an adapter to take a battery pack. I used this battery pack in an HPI Mini RC, and it worked really good. So it's a 7.4 400 milliamp 2S pack that works good. And you just stick it right in here where the battery goes, just like that. And then just trying to get it for us. I'll show you how it goes. Like that, right there. Close that off. You put your battery pin and plug your adapter in, and voila, just like that. And you put your body on, and you're ready to rock and roll. Or we're not going to rock and roll just yet. I'm going to show you guys what it took to make the truck look like this. And then you're going to see the running portion of the video. And all that's going to start right now. All right, so this is the Minizilla by Hot Bodies that we're going to be trying to get running and making it look good again. So, what the front looked like. Lots of scratches and things all over it. Put all the tools aside. Some type of screw came out. No, that's not a screw. A piece of branch or something. That shock looks old. We do have the tire. So we're gonna make sure, find out why that's not on. And then here's all the electronics and stuff. Let's open it up. One good reason why it doesn't run is no motor leads. Well, it could be more serious than that though. So we'll find out. Looks like it's got an old spider web in there. Let's see. see here. So yeah. Let's find out if it works. Let's look at all the other stuff that we got with it. An old battery. So we got to see if the battery works. It looks like the lead's cut on the side. Charge that up. See if the ESC still works. And then we got the receiver. And I do have the transmitter. So we got to put some batteries in this thing, make sure everything comes alive. And we might be doing okay. That's not bad if we can get it to run. Then we can start sorting everything out and start detailing it. So, all right, off to the next. All right, now for the running portion of the video. A little wheelie there. Drives pretty good so far. Whoa, that's a wheelie. Not bad for this little basic 370 motor. Whoa. She will definitely get her front end up. I don't know, the speed's pretty good on this thing. I'll have to see how fast it goes, guys. I'm thinking about maybe 14, 15 and a half miles an hour. I could be wrong. I'll strap a speedometer on it real quick and see. Well, let's get try to get a wheelie on demand. Definitely will get up. What a great running little RC car. There will be a slight skip once in a while with the pinion, I guess, with the plastic gears, but it's not too bad. What a fun car. I never drove one of these, and I had no idea how these were gonna run. So let's see if we get a little bit of air where we go get our air at. Yeah. What a fun little truck. All right, let's do a little crawl up there. It goes up there easily. What a great truck. All right, let's go ahead and bring her in. So my GPS speed recorder is dying. I think the battery's bad. So we'll have to come visit this one again. But I'm thinking it speeds around 15 miles per hour. With a brushless setup and new gears and everything, you'll probably get this thing up to about 30. Alrighty. Appreciate you guys for watching my videos. This one turned out super duper. Love these. Definitely recommend you guys pick one of these up. All right, guys. Please hit a like. I would love it for you guys to subscribe. I promise you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for the next one. Bye, guys. Now we're just going to do the mile-per-hour tracker on this bad boy to see what we can get out of it in stock form. Let's turn around, see what we get. I'm thinking about 12 miles an hour. Let's see. It looks like 13's what it does, guys. Not too shabby. It probably would do about 14, I reckon, without the speedometer on there. That thing's about the third of the size of the car, so it's not bad though. Pretty decent. So there she is, 13 miles per hour.